Exploring the brightness of language, as bright as the sun. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're illuminating a popular phrase that's as vivid as daylight, as bright as the sun. This expression paints pictures with words, and understanding it can add a sparkling touch to your English communication. Let's shine some light on its meaning, usage, and the imagery it evokes. The phrase, as bright as the sun, is a simile, a figure of speech that compares two different things to highlight a similarity between them. In this case, it compares something's brightness to that of the sun, which is the brightest object we can see from Earth. This expression is used to describe anything extremely bright, shining, or brilliant, whether it's literal light or metaphorically something very intelligent, happy, or promising. You can use as bright as the sun in various contexts. Describing objects or scenes. When talking about a bright light, a shiny surface, or a sunny day, you can say it's as bright as the sun to emphasize its luminosity. Praising intelligence or ideas. To commend someone's intelligence or a particularly clever idea, saying it is as bright as the sun suggests it's extremely brilliant. Expressing happiness or hope. This phrase also works to describe someone's mood or future prospects as very positive or promising. It's versatile, fitting into both casual conversations and literary compositions to enrich the language with vivid imagery. To help you grasp how to weave this expression into your dialogues or writings, let's look at some examples. The new invention is as bright as the sun, promising to revolutionize the industry. Her smile was as bright as the sun, lifting everyone's spirits in the room. On our vacation, the beach was as bright as the sun, with golden sand shimmering under the clear sky. Understanding and using expressions like, as bright as the sun, can make your English more colorful and expressive. It's a beautiful way to convey brightness, brilliance, or positivity, adding a layer of vivid imagery to your conversations or writings. We hope this exploration has brightened your understanding of English similes. Keep practicing, and soon, your language skills will shine as bright as the sun itself. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.